Hiring a house cleaner means giving someone unsupervised access to your home, your valuables, your documents, your personal space. Most house cleaners are trustworthy, but the stakes are high enough that verifying who you're letting in is simply smart practice. Many house cleaners work independently and aren't hired through agencies that perform background screening. You find them through word of mouth, next door, or a referral. But that doesn't mean they've been vetted. At peoplelocatorskiptracing.com, we help homeowners verify the identity of anyone they're considering letting into their home. We confirm that the name and contact information someone provides matches real current database records. And we identify any inconsistencies worth knowing about before you hand over a key. Results are typically returned within 24 hours. This isn't about distrust, it's about being a careful homeowner. A quick identity check before someone has access to your home is a reasonable precaution that takes less than a day. Visit peoplelocatorskiptracing.com to get started today.